Hey, the KMs. Hey guys, welcome back. Back on the trail. We got the KMs out today. We got my dad's C44km, really nice truck, and we got my C34km. All using stock tyres, weighted wheels. Mine's got a Hobbywin 1060 ESC in there. My dad's has got a 20 amp ESC, and he's running a 180 motor. I'll be running the stock C34km 370. So yeah, let's hit the trail. Also got my camera on board today. Get some nice onboard footage. So those of you that haven't heard about the KM kit or want to know a little bit more, they are pretty much the full metal edition. So you get metal axle housings, metal gear internals with bearings, and instead of dog bone and cup steering, you get a CVD style joint, which gives you a lot more steering angle. You get a set of weighted wheels in there as well. For the money, they are amazing little kits. Went up there no problem then, Dad. I love how capable these little trucks are for the money. Hey, lucky I got that tyre on the back, eh? Bit of a bumper. So the C34km single speed that it comes with, it's got an anti-rotation gearbox which eliminates torque twist, and it's super silent. Have a listen to this. C44 actually comes with a included functional winch. These two look awesome together, these two Land Cruisers. That steering angle around there, no problem. So the addition of the weighted wheels keep this rig planted, even though I've got a camera crew on board as well today. Nice and slow and controlled. It's what we want. favourite tree line. I think I've sussed it now. I know the line to take to get through in one pass. Stay really close to the left hand tree. By the time you get up, I have enough angle to get through. Bring it back through. Really like the slow aspect, the control you get out of this C34km motor gearbox setup. Straight through.
I'll see you.
On your way, mate.
No way.
That 180 motor is holding up very well. Nice aspect of control at that 180 as well. Forgot to mention at the start of the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll also be leaving links for these awesome little KM kits in the video description below. So with this 370, as you can see, I pretty much control down the hill. We'll see a different story now with that 180 motor with all the weight as well. Should be able to turn up here in one with the steering angle this thing's got. Lots of weight on board mine. Took a chug up the hill. Chug, chug, chug. Back wheel's getting hooked up somewhere. Let's try a different line here. Oh no. I think I need some winch in. Yeah, slide into the muck, yeah. Take a close line, I think, to the... There we go. Take a close line to the bank and up she goes.
See? It's just going straight under the thing.
We got a longer wheelbase as well on the C44. A real wooden bed as well, it gets me every time. Straight up. So this is where we're going to see the decline control that you get from the single speed with the C34km. It's only going when I want it to go downhill, nice and slow and controlled. I squeeze the trigger, it moves forward. I let go of the trigger, it stops dead. Get a nice test of that now on this really steep bit. Look at that. Wow. So it is worth mentioning, the C44km does actually come with a 2-speed, but we've installed a B36 180 in there. Nice control there, Dad. That's him. Oh, come back, come back. Oh, I think it's savable. Come down nice and straight. So with all that weight of the metal accessories, the wheel weights, see that 180 motor doesn't want to hold. I'm going to finish with one of my favourite lines today, guys. Up and around the tree. Normally I have to do like a 3-pointer there. I actually have to. Wrong line there. Up she goes. Hey, fair play to that little 180. It's a lot of weight for a 180 to be chugging, isn't it? Wow, straight round. Straight up. So hopefully this hasn't dragged on too long, guys. Hopefully it's just a quick one from me today. Another trail day on another day on the trail with my dad. So yes, cheers for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.